relationship that might occur on a beach? A what?
What kind of beach are we talking here?
A man and his monkey on the beach.
A lifeguard and a swimmer that's drowning. We're being chased by a shark.
You want to be a lifeguard and a swimmer, or a monkey and a man? I'm getting your characters.
Okay, say it again.
A lifeguard and a swimmer, or a monkey and a man?
A lifeguard and a monkey. A swimming monkey and a drowning man.
All right, you guys pick. Now I need a place.
Oh, right.
Listen.
Sorry.
I need a. You're not actually at the beach. I need a place where a guy might drag his girlfriend.
The beach.
All right, you're whatever you decided at the bowling alley.
The monkey and the man. At the bowling alley?
At the bowling alley.
Okay. You guys are both doing sound effects? Is it
Stand a little
is
further.
it one for each of us? Is that how it goes? You're me.
I'll be playing Jeff.
Cradling like a kid.
Are we good? Test. All right.
Want to get me a beer?